Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You're most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. Spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day here in my class and be a fluent English speaker very shortly. Today I'll read two beautiful stories with two beautiful lessons for all of us. Try to follow me. Yes, with all your attention. Now the stories, but you have to wait a bit till the end to know the names and the morals. The first story, a doe who had had the misfortune to lose the sight of one of her eyes and so could not see anyone approaching on that side, made it her practice to graze on a high cliff near the sea. Thus she kept her good eye toward the land on the lookout for the hunters, while her blind side was toward the sea whence she feared no danger. But one day some sailors were rowing past in a boat. Catching sight of the doe as she was grazing peacefully along the edge of the cliff, one of the sailors drew his bow and shot her. With her last gasp, the dying doe said, "Alas, ill-fated creature that I am! I was safe on the land side, whence I looked for danger, but my enemy came from the sea to which I looked for protection." The name of the story, The One-Eyed Doe, and the moral, trouble comes from the direction we least expect it. The second story, a discontented ass who felt that the gardener for whom he worked was a hard taskmaster, appealed to Jupiter to give him another master. Annoyed by the ass's ingratitude, Jupiter bound him over to a potter who gave him even heavier burdens to bear. Again the ass besought Jupiter. This time it was arranged to have him sold to a tanner. Finding that he had fallen into worse hands than ever, the ass said with a groan, "Alas, wretch that I am! Would that I had remained content with my former masters. My new owner not only works me harder while I am alive, but will not even spare my hide when I am dead." The name of the story, The Ass and His Masters, and the moral, he that finds discontentment in one place is not likely to find happiness in another.